Welcome to this video on business user features in TCS iON Interaction Manager. Once you log into the application as a business user, you will be able to set the default meeting duration and minutes for the meeting. Then, click Proceed. Then, you will be redirected to the homepage. The business user's homepage consists of menu, Schedule a Meeting, My Meeting Room, Upcoming Meetings, Subscription Status, Today's Meetings and Summary of Meetings Already Conducted. The meeting summary is shown as a graphical representation of all meetings created, completed or cancelled on the application, till date. The meeting summary bar graph gives the count of only completed meetings. The donut chart gives the information about all the meetings created, cancelled or completed in the application, till date. Let us look at the different sections of the menu. Home. A business user will be able to access the homepage from this tab. My Calendar. As a business user, you will be able to view calendar, day-wise, week-wise, month-wise schedules for meetings. A business user can click on any available slot to schedule a meeting. Schedule a meeting. In this section, you can enter all the relevant details to schedule a meeting. On the My Meetings section, you can view all the meetings that have been scheduled, are ongoing, have been cancelled or completed. You can also expand each meeting. You can also search for a particular meeting by typing in the name, meeting subject, email ID, mobile number, date, etc. in the search box. Now, let us look at the business user actions and features possible on TCS iON Interaction Manager. As a business user, you can perform the following actions on a scheduled meeting. Join meeting. Resend meeting link. Reschedule meeting. Cancel meeting. Let us first see how meetings are scheduled from the Calendar section. On the My Calendar section, the business user can click on any available slot to schedule a meeting. On click of the date, the Schedule Meeting screen opens. Once scheduled, the meeting will appear on the calendar. On clicking this meeting, the meeting details will be displayed in a pop-up. The business user can view the meetings from calendar and perform actions such as resend meeting link, reschedule meeting and cancel meeting once the scheduled meetings are viewed. To start the meeting, the host can copy the host link onto the browser and enter the passcode. On the meeting page, the meeting host must first select the language and enter the passcode, and click Proceed to continue. The meeting room screen opens with the meeting details. It also currently shows that the participant Anita is offline. Click the Notify button to notify the participant to join the meeting. The user is notified via SMS or an email. On the participant's end, the participant will join the meeting by using the link sent by email or SMS. On the meeting page, the participant first selects the language and enters the meeting passcode sent by email and clicks Proceed. The participant's meeting room screen opens, which shows that the host is already online. In case the host is offline, the participant can notify the host to start the meeting by clicking the Notify button. Now, we go back to the host's screen to see that the status of the participant is now online. Note that the online status can also be seen with the green dot near the name of the person. On the host screen, a Join button appears. Host can click the Join button to start the meeting. On click of the Join button, the screen changes to show the Start Video Call button, where the host can start the video call. Note that this button is available for both the host and the participant. So, both parties can start the call. Now, let us look at how to schedule a meeting. To schedule a new meeting, click Schedule a Meeting. You can also click on the icon shortcut from the menu. On the Schedule a Meeting section, first, enter the date, time and duration of the meeting to check the availability by clicking the Check Availability button. If the meeting time is available, it will appear in the time ruler below. After setting the meeting time, enter all the meeting details in the respective fields. After entering all the details, click the Schedule Meeting button. A confirmation message is displayed that the meeting has been booked. Click OK to close the dialog box after viewing the details. After the meeting is scheduled, the meeting details will be sent to the participant via email and/or SMS. The meeting details will now be visible in the Upcoming Meetings section of your home screen. Note that, if the start time of the meeting which has been scheduled is within next 10 hours, then it will be displayed in the Upcoming Meetings panel. You can expand each meeting in the upcoming meetings panel by clicking the arrow shown on the left-hand side of each meeting. The details for the meeting, such as the host meeting link, the participant meeting link and the passcodes, are mentioned. The participant link and participant passcode will be sent to the participant by email. Further, let us look at the My Meeting Room section. Meetings scheduled for the day will be displayed on the left-hand side panel. Note that, to notify the other participant, the host needs to click the Notify button. The notification will be sent to the other participant. Along with viewing the details, you can also resend the link, reschedule a meeting or cancel a meeting. Click the Resend Link icon to resend the link. The notification will appear that the meeting details have been sent successfully. Click OK to close the pop-up. To reschedule a meeting, click the Reschedule Meeting link. The Reschedule Meeting pop-up opens. You can reset the start and end time and check availability. If the meeting time slot is available, click Reschedule to reschedule the meeting. To cancel a meeting, click Cancel Meeting. The Cancel Meeting notification appears. To confirm cancellation, click Yes, and if unsure, click No. Now, let us look at the procedure to join a meeting. 2 hours before the meeting start time, the Join Meeting button appears. To join a meeting, click the Join Meeting button. The meeting room interface opens. The interface shows the meeting start time and end time and the meeting participant. If the participant is offline, you can choose to notify the participant by clicking the Notify button. The participant is then notified via email and a green check mark appears. Once the participant is online, the Join button will appear. As seen earlier, and the Start Video Call button will be displayed, where the host or the participant can start the video call. We have come to the end of this video on business user features in TCS Ion Interaction Manager.